Hello everybody, it's True Detective, a book review. Brandon Sanderson, SKYWARD. This is a sci-fi book that I have had for about 5 years right now. I never got around to it. And it's about flying fighter jets in a sci-fi setting. And the main character is called Spenza, not Menza. I don't know if she's very smart, but she wants to be a fighter plane pilot. This book, though, I think it's really a metaphor for the academic. Put yourself into this tube and try to pass all the exams type of book. How I came to know about Brandon Sanderson was through a course that I watched through on YouTube like years and years ago. And it was much more amazing than anything that he has written. It was about fictional writing and all the different facets of fictional writing. And in that course he said that it's probably going to take you like 10 years to become a good writer. And I have been writing for 7 years. And at that point when I watched the course I had been writing for about like a year. Maybe I don't like Brandon Sanderson the way he writes too much, because it's pretty awkward when you read it just off the page. It's nothing earth-shattering, you know. This book is not gonna change your life probably, but maybe there was a layer in this book. Maybe there's some magic here. Brandon Sanderson, SKYWARD. Thumbnail that on.